Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Quest Diagnostics Patient Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Quest Diagnostics Patient Login, and then hit go enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link saying login onto Quest Diagnostics. You have to accept all cookies and then tap on My Quest. And then tap on the link to My Quest. You may have to accept or reject cookies according to your. Here you must tap on create my Quest account if you have not created an account, or you can hit login if you have already created an account. If you do not have an account, simply hit create a My Quest account. Here you'll have to fill in your details like your email address, your full name, and your sign in information. Hit next and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you've created your account, you can simply head back over, tap on login. Here you'll have to enter the credentials that you set up and then hit sign in to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.